Who has ever had one of these before and wished that they had one of these before? Yeah, me too. All right. This thing is absolutely amazing. Okay. This is what I've dreamt of when I have purchased the other one. And this is getting all of the amazing features right here in this thing. Okay. So not only is it a neck thing, you can use it as like a tripod stand to put it on your desk. I actually use it to do Facebook Lives at night. But this thing bends so easily, and this head is really adjustable. So if you're somebody that's trying to make content and you want to do like a point of view kind of thing here, you can do that. This neck adjusts out, and I'm going to show you here in just a second what it looks like on and how you can use it that way. But everything is totally adjustable on here. And this is also great too for somebody laying in bed that wants to watch their phone but doesn't want to drop their phone. So I absolutely love this thing. So let me show you what it looks like when you are actually using this as like wearing it around your neck. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you wear it around your neck. Very easy to come out. You don't have to worry about like unhooking any latch. It literally comes out super easy. Okay. This has a very nice felt pad against it, so it's not uncomfortable. And look, if you guys are doing dishes, washing the dishes, laying in bed, this thing is also adjustable too. So if you can see here, you can move it and contour it to fit it how you like. And that's why I like it too, because you can put it on a desk and really use it as like a tripod. But yeah, you can put your phone out here. You can turn it vertical or horizontal. And it really can get any angles. You guys can flip it upside down. You can do different angles. Like if you need a point of thing, you want to point it out and walk. Okay. It does also come with this little attachment. And what you do is you just unscrew this, you pop this in, and you can also pop the end of this on here, and you can do a video, like a hands video showing you footage of a product. Like if you're trying to open something, this thing is what I have dreamed of. And honestly, I use it for everything. Okay, this comes everywhere with me. It's very compactable, and you can do so many different things with it. You can set it on a desk, you can set it wherever you want. Like I said, this is totally adjustable. Like, look how much you can contour it. Okay. Very comfortable, very soft rubber grip. And I put it on my desk and I use it for Facebook Lives. Okay. Super, super, super cool. I absolutely love this product. And this is what I dreamt of over any other product.